Niggas don't even understand what's going through my mentals right now. Know what I mean? Word up, yo. Serve up the liquor, getting pissy down and dirty like yo, get a vestibule. Rock bull beats with my balls, the testicle. I'm deep in pursuit, straight dropping on these niggas with a parachute. Ayo, it's basic instinct, while your mind think left hand, pen and pad ink till my armpits stink. Ayo, it's my turn to blow, yo, past that. Fluctuate the levels on the board like NASDAQ. Niggas kicking toilet paper flow, that's ass crack. NASCAR, pedal to the floor, I'm past that, smash that. Demolition, cat kinetic, accident, damage and do you. Spawn to be some more the basic maneuver. Sucking up this rap scene, rap loop with a hoover. Like Eureka, true poet, deep speaker, ill freaker. Lace more spots than the holes in your sneaker. Hungry nigga, weak rap act eater. Lace more spots than the holes in your sneaker. It's the bomb poet coming through your bumper speaker. Lace more spots than the holes in your sneaker. Check the bomb poet, aka the Green Reefer. I come with the force of 30 lines when I'm rhyming. Verbal designing, hot shit, keep on the incline to keep my lines tight when I'm shining in the limelight. Street niggas getting high as a kite. Get deeper than the bits when I kiss the track. Making love to the beat when I splash it back. And stay laced with the illest threads. From my toes to my head, fill it herbal, circulate and make the pupils red. Sun dead, that issue, style is tissue. You getting hit with this verbal missile. Guaranteed to never miss you when I bang. Remember my name, Raw Flow for dope bitches and fame. Yo, lace more spots than the holes in your sneaker. It's the bomb poet bumping through your fucking speaker. Lace more spots than the holes in your sneaker. Check the Garazi, aka the Green Reefer. Lace more spots than the holes in your sneaker. It's the bomb poet coming through your bumper speaker. Lace more spots than the holes in your sneaker. Check the bomb poet, aka the Green Reefer. That's what the God do. Can't nobody stop Razi. I'm a hot commodity, dropping all these jewels and gems. Lyrics diving deeper than the Bible hymns. Steady counting my ends, dog, with no fraud and no slander. Realer than that street propaganda. Beat this microphone commander. Cats get slain in the freestyle game. When the lyrics be busted like a hail of bullets. Cerebellum play the trigger, fella, watch a nigga pull it. Baptize the booth, utilize the apparatus. You decide if I deserve my status to be amongst the baddest rappers. King of the beat, straight twist the track like a down ass freak. Trick and treat Halloween, nah, I mean fake niggas wearing masks on this hip hop scene. Talking guns and gats, clips with max. Talking sipping big liquor with your skills unattacked. Where your vocab back, my nigga I can do that. However, actual, factually speaking, Razik be freaking, kicking it like Huerto, like Rican. Do the knowledge coming home and beacon. I be the one you're seeking. Yo, lace more spots than the holes in your sneaker. Check the bomb poet coming through your bumper speaker. Lace more spots than the holes in your sneaker. It's the Garazi, aka the Green Reefer. Lace more spots than the holes in your sneaker. Check the bomb poet bumping through your fucking speaker. Lace more spots than the holes in your sneaker. It's the bomb poet, aka the Green Reefer. Shout-outs to all my niggas out there. Ain't no need for me to call no names. If you with me, you with me, know what I'm saying? Word up, yo. Let's move.